Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 9 and let me share with you how to show a battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So as you can see currently I've got the percentage inside the battery icon, and if you'd like to have it just like me or basically show it, all we have to do is to simply find the settings. Now let's scroll down to enter notification and status bar and tap on status bar. And as you can see here we've got two different options connected to the battery. So we've got the style and the percentage. So here let's begin with the percentage. After tapping on it you can see that we've got three different options from which we can choose. We've got the inside the battery icon, which I've got currently applied. We've got the outside the battery icon, and as you can see the percentage will be displayed right next to the battery icon. Or we can do not show it, so probably you've got this option applied. So it's up to you. We can pick, for example, this one. And as you can see, we've got also the style. So we can pick the horizontal one, a vertical one, and the loop also, which is quite good, but quite a great option. As you can see, it is also immediately applied, or we can also do not show it, so we can leave only the percentage. So it's of course up to you. Maybe I will pick the loop one. So actually this is it. This is how to show the battery percentage on the status bar in your Realme 9. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.